Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for us. So in this video I will show you how to remove watermark from Google Flow videos. So for this you have to download Shotcut. So follow this step by step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to one of your browser and in the search bar you have to search download. So and you will get this website. So you have to click on this and you have to click on Windows installer. So your download will shortly started. So as you can see this, it is downloading the software. So as you can see this, the software has downloaded successfully. Now we have to install it. So to install, we have to click on this and click on run. Click on install for me only. Click on next, 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 install. So it is installing the software. So now click on finish. So successfully we have installed the software. Now we have to create on project. So first one you have to select the folder where you want to save your file, and the second one you have to write your project name and then click on start. So and now we will open the file through this software. So click on open file, take this Google Flow video and click on open. So as you can see this the watermark also showing here. So how you can remove it? So to remove it, click on this filter option and here you have to click on plus icon and now here you have to search sport remover. So click on this and there you will get a box. So you have to click the box in here. So if you want to export it, so click on export. So as you can see this the video is exporting. So exported successfully. Now we will open this video. So this is the video. Now I will open it. So as you can see this there is no watermark is showing here.
And we are finally in.
So successfully remove the watermark from the video. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.